is a dialogue between souls. It is science that becomes music, and music that becomes movement. It is an embrace where time slows down and where two souls find a balance in a delicate conversation of trust. And perhaps this is why tango speaks so deeply in countries like Greece and North Macedonia and in the Balkans in general, I think, because our countries, like tango, are filled with passion, with longing, and this, this quest for connection. And this marathon, it's about not steps, not melodies, it's about building bridges.